Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, very quickly and concisely, I will show you how to exchange currency on PayPal. So this is mainly done on your wallet. So let us refer to the wallet. So once logged in, just go to the wallet, and here in the wallet, you need to find your balance section. So guys, let's move on. As you can see, I don't have a card, but it shows me my PayPal balance in dollars. So here you'll see all the currencies linked in your account. If you don't see the currency you want to exchange, click add a currency right over here and select the desired currency. For example, let's add euro. You added euro, done. And as you can see, now we have two currencies. USD which is a primary, and also we have euros. And now to convert your currency, you just press on currency calculator, and for example you want to convert 8,000 USDT, right, 1,000 into euros. And as you can see, this is going to be the amount in euros. Just press done. Great. So this is how you use the currency calculator and the currency converter in PayPal. Guys, if you found this video helpful, please share it with your friends. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. See you next time.